Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I install this headband wig. I'm gonna be showing you guys what I got with this hair, and I'm gonna also be showing you guys how I style it. So if you guys want to see all of that good stuff, just stick around for the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of a headband wig, and also I'm gonna also be doing the review, styling, and all of that good stuff today. Show you guys. So firstly, right, for shedding, it's not much, just a little bit, so it's not shedding that much, that heavily, right? Here it comes with an headband already. As you know, all of them comes with that. You have 2 pins at the top. You have 1, 2 at the sides, but they're closer to the back, and this 2 at the front. So this is what the inside looks like. It also comes with this adjustable strap, so you can adjust it to your head size. Hope you guys can see. The length of this hair is 24 inches. Yes, it is not thick, it is very light and soft also, and it's a yaki. The texture is yaki, and it also matches your natural hair, so it will look natural when you start wearing it. You know, it will not look that, you know, it will be hard for someone to tell that it's really a wig. Right, so here it is. I really like it. I cannot wait to style it. So yeah, so I also received a second headband as a gift. I love it. I love headbands and head wraps and stuff like that. I also received a pair of eyelash. Okay, I think that's it for the gifts that I received, so that's really encouraging, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna be styling it, and hope you guys can see it's really. And another thing about this here is that it can take high temperature, so you can flat iron it and style it to your desired style, however you like it. So that's what I like about it, you know. Yeah, so it's versatile. You can do whatever you want to do with it, however that suits you. Right, so, and I also received this what you call this, mesh thing. Yeah, so I received this. So usually I don't really use mesh caps. I just put on the hair and just spin it, and just that's it. But I just put it on. I just want to see how it works with this, but you guys don't have to. But I got it, so I'm gonna use it. Yeah, so let's see how we progress. So what I'm gonna be doing first, guys, is that for me, I'm gonna moisturize the hair first before I install it. So I'm gonna be moisturizing it first, and then I'm gonna put it on, and then I'm gonna flat iron it. So I have a little mixture that I make for myself. So this is olive oil hair polisher along with some hair pink lotion, and this is my moisturizer that I use for my hair, like wigs and stuff like that. So because I don't like to use just the oil or just the hair lotion, I like to mix them together. So this is what I'm going to use. You guys can use whatever you have, whatever hair moisturizer you have to moisturize your hair. Alright, so that's what I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to be leaving the link to this here in the description bar below, just in case you guys want to purchase. Alright, so I'm going to be moisturizing the hair before. And even with all my wigs, that's how I like to do it before. I like to put them on a mannequin and just add water or moisturizer or whatever it is I like to add to them before I put it on. When I put it on, and I just do the finishing, I just add the finishing product. And see, there's no shedding. It's not shedding at all. The reason why I like to do this before, right? Let me tell you guys. So the reason why I like to moisturize it before I put it on is because it's a wig, and like by moisturizing it and pulling it, it might shift, or it might just pull off your head. So, and I don't want that to happen. I like to moisturize it first and then install it, so I don't have to do all of that and be, you know, putting it back in place and stuff like that. So that's the reason for me always moisturizing them first before I install them. I'm gonna be adding some mousse also, because you know I love my mousse. Yeah, I love to use mousse. There's just something about it that I really like, especially the one with oil in them. Yeah. So I'm kind of very stingy with my moisturizer, you know, but I don't really need to add a lot because I'm going to be adding mousse to it also. So yeah. And then I'm going to lightly, very lightly, to brush it. So I'm using my contour brush. I love these kind of brushes for my hair because my hair is short, but then it can be thick sometimes. So yeah. And I'm really afraid of combing my hair. You guys might not know, but you guys might see in my videos when I'm combing my hair, like the impressions on my face, like, yeah. So I use this just to help to ease the pain, you know, of combing out my hair. So I'm just gonna brush it lightly, just to detangle it. You guys can see the fullness of it now. You guys don't have to use I should be using a comb instead, but it's not much coming out of it. So that's why I said lightly. You do it very lightly, and you can use your fingers to pull through it, just to detangle as you go along. I made it. Get it. Oh no. So I'm still using the pins to pin it so that it's secure. A mirror to do these things. That mirror get me really confused. I just gotta just close my eyes and just do what I'm doing without the mirror. So nice and easy, nice and easy. So I'm gonna add some mousse. Now I'm gonna flat iron it a little bit and then I'm gonna add the mousse to it. And then I'm gonna show you guys the finished look. So before I put on the headband that I got with this here, I'm gonna show you guys another way you can wear this that really looks nice also with your cap, because I love my caps. I have a lot of caps. So yeah. And there you have it, guys. So thank you guys so much again for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I got a lot more hair videos coming for you guys. Please like this video, leave a comment, and share with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.